new smartphone Nokia G60. This version 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Look complementation to this device. Device in the black color. In complementation we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera LED. On the front side display 6.6 inch, power key and volume keys. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. We have IPS Full HD resolution 120 Hz. Okay, clear Android 12, open Geekbench 5. We have CPU Snapdragon 695 and GPU Adreno 690. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Good results. Look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark, okay, good. And run demanding game GTA San Andreas. Okay, GTA San Andreas works perfect on the max graphic level without lags and glitches. Okay, and now I show you our photos on the main camera. Let's see this.